Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools you'll need. Make sure you know the phone OS and carrier so you choose the right method. Once done, sign into the account tied to contacts, iCloud for iPhone, Google for Android, and verify backup access. If backups are off, enable them now and perform a manual sync. You do this because deleted numbers often remain in cloud snapshots or account trash, and immediate syncing prevents further data loss. Now you search every place the number could hide. First, open contacts in your cloud account, look in trash, archive, or recently deleted folders, and then check any contact groups. Next, examine device backups, restore a recent snapshot to a spare device or export contacts as VCF to inspect. Also, log into your carrier account and view call or SMS records, and finally run a reputable data recovery app if no cloud copy exists, because deep wipes sometimes still leave recoverable traces. To finish, restore the backup or import the VCF file containing the deleted contact. Choose a temporary device if you need to avoid overriding current contacts. Once restored, merge duplicate entries carefully and update labels so you know the source. Make sure to verify the number by calling or sending a message, and then lock the contact with notes about the recovery date. If restoration fails, try a different backup snapshot, or contact your carrier for a records request as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.